Good morning, everyone. The topic we are starting today is redox reaction. Now, the reaction in which oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously is known as the redox reaction. But the main question arises, what is oxidation and reduction? So first of all, I'll explain you what is oxidation. Now, oxidation, it's addition of oxygen or electronegative element or ion. Simple, whatever is the reaction, if there is a addition of oxygen in it, or instead of oxygen maybe addition of electronegative element. Electronegative element means those who have tendency to gain one or more electron. For example, either it's a chlorine, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, those who have tendency to gain electron. If there is addition of oxygen or electronegative element or ion, that is known as oxidation. For example, simple, we'll start with easy example, that is C plus O2, it gives CO2, carbon dioxide. Now just see, simple, carbon become carbon dioxide. Previously it's a simple carbon, now it's a carbon dioxide. It shows what? It's an addition of oxygen. So this one is simple oxidation. Okay, now addition of oxygen, so this one is simple oxidation. You can take another example. Okay, CuO, copper oxide plus hydrogen, it gives Cu plus H2O. Now identify in which side oxygen is added. Now H2 become H2O. Simple. Previously it's simple hydrogen, now it's a H2O. So it's addition of oxygen. So this one is simple oxidation. Whenever you want to show that oxidation occurred, so you have to write like this. Okay, it's a hydrogen, it becomes this, so this one is oxidation. Now another one is electronegative element, addition of electronegative element. Okay, so either it's addition of oxygen, either electronegative element. You can take one example. Now magnesium plus chlorine, it becomes MgCl2. Now just see, magnesium, okay, previously it's a magnesium, now addition of electronegative element, so that one is again oxidation. So all these are examples, simple. So this one is one type of definition regarding to oxidation. Okay, so you can say either addition of oxygen or electronegative element, that one is oxidation. Now in case if there is no addition of oxygen or electronegative element, maybe there is removal of hydrogen, so it's another definition of oxidation. Okay, that one is removal of hydrogen or electropositive element or ion. Electropositive element or ion means, okay, those who have tendency to lose one or more electron. For example, sodium, potassium. Okay, so we have so many examples. Now for example, now in this case, when addition of hydrogen is there sorry, removal of hydrogen is there, okay, that is H2S plus chlorine, it becomes sulfur plus HCl. Now just see, H2S, now it becomes simple sulfur. So removal of hydrogen, this one is also oxidation. Okay, example. Now third definition we have regarding to oxidation, that one is if there is loss of electron. If there is loss of electron, either it's a one or more electrons, okay, that one is also known as oxidation. For example, if it's a sodium, it's a Na. Okay, sodium, its valency is its electronic configuration is 281. So one electron in the outermost shell, it means tendency to lose electron. Okay, after losing one electron, it becomes Na positive. Okay, or either you can write this reaction like this, it's a Na this electron goes that side and become positive. Okay, that negative sign become positive. It's a Na positive, and this one is, so either you can write reaction like this, either you can write like this. Okay, this one is about oxidation. Now next is, what is reduction? Actually all the definition of reduction is opposite of oxidation. Okay, so you can say same. Now in case of reduction, okay, all the definition is opposite of oxidation. Okay, now in this case, in case of oxidation, addition of oxygen or electronegative element or ion. So in reduction, okay, removal of oxygen or electronegative element or ion. Okay, then addition of hydrogen or electropositive element or ion, or gain of electron. So all the definitions opposite of oxidation, and most of the reactions are redox reaction. Not all the reaction, but most of the reactions are redox reaction. Now just see in this one, okay, that oxidation, and this one is, okay, reduction. Okay, because definition is opposite. Now in this, it's a addition of electropositive atom. Okay, that one is reduction. Now second one is CuO plus H2. It gives Cu plus H2O. This one is oxidation. Now second is, हमने क्या पढ़ी definition अभी, that one is reduction, means it's a removal of oxygen. So CuO becomes Cu. It's a removal of oxygen, so that one is known as reduction. So means all the definition opposite to oxidation is reduction. Now MgCl2, now this Cl2 become MgCl2, so this one is reduction. Why? Because addition of electropositive element. Now next is, just see in this, it's a H2S plus chlorine, it becomes sulfur plus HCl. Now in this case, this chlorine, it becomes HCl. So addition of hydrogen and removal of electronegative element, so that one is known as reduction. Okay, now next is, in case of reduction, okay, there is, in case of reduction, there is gain of, in reduction, okay, gain of electrons occur. Okay, gain of electron, either it's a one or more electron. For example, if it's a chlorine, okay, that one is 287 electronic configuration, 7 electron in the outermost shell, means tendency to gain electron. Okay, so that one is, after gaining one electron, it become Cl negative. Now next is, suppose Fe3 positive, okay, 3 electron less. Okay, so after gaining one electron, it becomes Fe2 positive. Okay, so this one is all about your oxidation and reduction. Now in this, okay, maybe MCQs question are there, maybe direct question is there, what is oxidation and reduction. Maybe you have, maybe question is differentiate between oxidation and reduction. Okay, one type of question is, now this one is maybe question, okay, which of the statements about the reaction below are incorrect. Okay, it's a PbO plus carbon, okay, it gives Pb plus CO2. Now options given, lead is getting reduced, CO2 is getting oxidized, carbon is getting oxidized, lead oxide is getting reduced. So first of all, okay, in this one you have to identify in which oxidation occur and in which reduction occur, then you are able to identify the answer. Now just see, PbO become Pb, okay, it means from this to this, okay, that one is removal of oxygen, so that one is reduction occur, and here C becomes CO2, so that one is simple oxidation occur. Okay, so then just see, C is oxidized, carbon is getting oxidized, and lead oxide is getting reduced. Okay, now so you have to identify incorrect one, so it means if these two are right, so A and B is incorrect. Okay, so this one is your answer. Okay, thank you.